What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? It's Skinny Boy Randy. What's up? I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, prosperous day. How you doing today? I miss you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. It is super duper hot. Well, it's cooling down now, so I decided to come out and make a video. It was too hot to come out here and make a video earlier, you guys. I told you, be safe out here in your garden. It is too hot. Anybody trying to fall out? Okay. Anybody trying to fall out? But anyway, how you doing today? Welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. If you're new to my channel, click the like and subscribe button. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Leave a comment, share the video, you guys. It always helps. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. You guys are absolutely the best of the best. Yes, been at work all day, came home, tried to settle down, mailed out more t-shirts, you guys. Be on the lookout for your t-shirts. For everybody that ordered, thank you so much for ordering the Skinny Boy Randy t-shirt. Thank you guys. Please, if you want a t-shirt, please leave me a comment and I will respond to you and show you how you can get your t-shirt. Okay, they're great. It just says Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy and it has the okay on it. Thank you so much for being here. Today we're just going to put our vining beans, our pole beans, in the ground. We had them in our Dollar Tree container, like this here. I'm gonna grab this for you. You know, we bought our Dollar Tree container. Shout out to Dollar Tree because I'm so thankful, you guys. You can buy something like this for $1 and stack them up, you know, the way you want it, and it's a wonderful thing. Got some melons growing in here. Can you guys see? Yep, and some more of our vining purple potted pole beans. Oh yeah, some more melons coming on out. And planting the melons next to these beans, it seems like they just tripled in size versus the ones that are not planted next to the beans. So it's true what they say, the beans provides a lot of nutrients. So let's just go on out here into the Skinny Boy Farms. Let's take our shovel, a little mini shovel, you guys. Okay. You know how I do. I just take you right along with me, the good, the bad, the ugly. I just want you right here with me. So let me get you down here. You remember the trellis? Yes, you guys, the trellis we put up. I'm going to put another pole right here in the middle. Look, the beans have started to trellis up already, and I don't even have them in the ground. So we have some work to do, you guys. Okay? And I'm going to put you right here into action with me. So let me see. Let me put you right here. Can we see? Here we go. Sorry, the little leaves. We put them under there. These are some more beans, you guys. I don't want to get rid of them. Look at the little flowers. Where there's flowers, there's a bean. So let's get some of these weed whackers out of here. See, these are more beans doing their own thing. I don't throw it on the way because we ain't got no money. I don't got no money to be throwing no stuff away. I ain't got no money. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I went to visit some family and friends over the 4th of July. They still got carrots coming up, y'all. Carrots. Yeah, I'm just going to pluck a few of these weeds out of here. Let me move you over a little further because I want you to see everything that I'm doing. You know I don't edit anything. And let me move my cursor because a lot of times I'll turn it off by accident, you guys. Okay. I'm sorry when I do that and it cuts off on you. But yeah, you guys, I hope you had a safe weekend. I hope you staying safe, following your local rules, you know, doing everything we're supposed to do to stay nice, healthy, and be around a long time for our loved ones. I thank you guys so much for being here. I love you. Thank you. You could be anywhere else, but thank you for tuning in to Skinny Boy Randy. Okay. So let's just dive right into it. I'm not going to hold you long. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with this one because it's already starting to trellis itself. And we don't want it to go up too far to where it's out of control and I can't, right here. Okay. I don't want it to go too far up yet until I get it in the ground. Now they're going to wilt probably the first day, but sometimes they don't. Always water thoroughly when you do any type of transplant into the ground. So when you're trying to transplant your pole beans out of the containers you put them in, make sure you water them very, very well. You don't want them to go into a dry shop. You know, you ever been thirsty? Not a good feeling. Your plants don't want to be thirsty either. So I just took this one away. Oh, there's another one that ran over this spot. See, they run, y'all. They're ready. They're ready to go up. They're ready to go up our trellis. And these are our purple potted pole beans and some melons that we planted. Watermelon. Any type you want to pick, name it. And yeah, we're going to say that's it. I love you guys. Thank you so much. All right, we're going to get you closer down into the ground with me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a nice hole. Just like that. Make another one here. And I did some test plants, you guys, in the ground. They're over here and they're doing well. So I know they like the soil. And I'm going to do 3 for you for the camera, okay? Dig another hole here. Okay. And beans aren't choicy, you guys. They do fairly well under strenuous conditions. So let's just go ahead and make this one long trench. I can see the roots of other things that we planted last year when I first moved here. You guys, it's a year I'm here at this new home. So I'm just gonna dig a trench just like that. I want to keep my plants in their original soil. I always keep my plants in their original soil when I transplant, you guys. So I'm going to gently take this, dig down, and press out. That's all. Just one good press, and then take my hand. Got to get your hand in there so you know you can feel. You don't want to be snapping and popping roots, you know, like it ain't no tomorrow. Because we want these babies to grow. And see, I just took this right on out. These are our purple potted pole beans. Gently separate them. See, they came right apart. I'm going to put one here. Cover it in our soil. And then I'm going to run it right back up this trellis. And I'm going to water it very good when I'm done, you guys. So I'm just going to run it back up. You know, give it a base. And that's it. That's how you transplant your pole beans into the ground. I'm going to separate these. Well, actually, I'm going to put this right in there with that melon still attached, y'all. Watch this. You see? It's still in there. I'm gonna leave it in there. Cover it with some soil. I'm going to leave it right in here. This melon. And you know when I give you an update, I'm going to update you on this melon right here, okay? Y'all see it? Right here. And I'm going to give her a good strong base to start off with. So I stand her up. Then I'm going to run this one up, our trellis. And just kind of wrap it around. Give it a home. Let's go this way. Let's not skip. Let's go to this one. Go in and out and wrap and let it go. And we got one more. Yeah. Just gonna dig in the pot, push out, take your hand in there. I wanna get one of these out. And they come with a melon. Okay. So we're gonna follow these, y'all. We're going to see how the melon and the bean cooperates with each other. And this one is not as tall, but since this is a flexible, see, I can pull it down, put that leaf right in there, and let it know this is the way I want you to go. Give it a good firm packing. Look at that melon, a fighting chance. Oh, I took out an extra one, you guys. So let's put that one right here. You can stagger your beans. You can stagger them. I'm going to keep that melon with this bean as well. And whatever starts to grow really big, we can always thin when it comes to the melons if they get, you know, carried away. And so this space right here, see, they love to attach each other, so be very careful. There we go. We're going to run it in and out, right up our little trellis. And just find your little spot up here to attach it to. And we just transplanted some purple potted pole beans and some of our melons. Okay, and we have plenty more to do. But I'm not going to hold you that long and do them all at one time. I love you guys. You are the best. Thank you so much for being here. Remember, click like and subscribe. Share the video. If you would like to get a t-shirt or send a gift or donation, anything you want to do to support the Skinny Boy Farms, I greatly appreciate it. I love you guys. You know I love you. Thank you so much for being here. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff. You guys, I need it. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, I love you. You're the best.